What it's up, my beautiful people. So I feel your pain, and sometimes I know how cantankerous it can be paying for TV bills and subscriptions. So today I bring you a solution, and this solution is the Sling TV Box. So this Sling TV Box has about 15,000 plus HD live channels, and then about 120,000 movies, a lot more TV series where you have to pay for nothing. And then it also includes adult TVs, and you still pay nothing for it. So you are going to use this thing for a long time, and this is running on Android 12.0. It has a quad-core processor running on a RAM of 4 GB and then 128 GB with a 6K picture quality at 60 frames per second. This is amazing. It has an HDMI connection, and then it has a USB also, and then optical audio out. This inside this box is an amazing gift. Actually, I see this to be a gift and a reliever. So it doesn't come with any additional fees, and it comes free. The price will beat your imagination. Once you try this out, you will be surprised at what you got at the price at which you got it. This is an incredible picture and then exceptional value. There is no doubt. I have used it, I have tested it, and I'm saying this thing from a user and a customer point of view. Amazingly, this video is fully sponsored by Slingshot TV, and then I am I'm very happy that I was able to be selected as one of their reviewers for this. Once I received it, I was so happy, and testing it out together with my friends, they were amazed that can this be true, that this actually is making me pay nothing. It ensures uninterrupted performance. Like, it doesn't scramble like that digibox you have at your home. So I want you to replace, and you're even paying much for that, I want you to replace that with this, and you will thank me forever. So this is the power adapter. In it, you have to connect it to the power. So there is another cable in it, you will use it to connect. And then this power adapter is very simple to just use. That is the Ethernet cable. If you don't have Wi-Fi, you use the Ethernet cable to connect. That's the remote. And then here we have the HDMI cable in it, where the connection between the Sling TV box and then your TV set, or maybe your monitor, or any screen you have, you can just connect it to it. This cable is exceptional because it ensures you have that 6K that is really recommended for, and that actually is the box. Let's set it aside, and then let's put this thing together, and then we will go deep into it. There is also a Type-C cable in it that you use it to do other connections. I will show you when I'm trying to connect it. That is the manual, and then it shows you how to connect it to your flat screen or any monitor you want to view it on it. It's allowed, and it has a lot of other options. It ensures an uninterrupted performance. It doesn't scramble at all, and it's very interesting watching movies or watching football or anything you want to watch on it. It's just amazing. It doesn't scramble like the digibox you have in your home. So I want you to change it and replace it with this one, and you will be very happy you did. You will be like, why haven't I known this digibox for a long time? This Sling TV box is going to do the magic you're looking for, and I want you to place your order now. Inside the description will be a link which will lead you to the store where you can order it, and then they give free delivery worldwide. So just place your order, and you're going to receive it within 5 working days. Works in every country, and all you need is a television or a flat screen and a connection. It has different channels that speak Spanish, English, French, Arabic, and different things. Even when you are traveling, you can easily carry it along and travel with it, because you can connect it on the go once you have any flat screen. One of the sweet thing about Sling TV Box is that they have 24/7 customer service, and then they constantly update the software and then the channels, and then you have the latest channels. So let's quickly get this thing set up. I can't wait to enjoy it. So here we'll put up the connections together, we'll power it on. That's the USB-C. It's also we can either use the AV or this one to power it on. So here we have the HDMI. We'll connect it to the HDMI port so that we can connect it to the screen, and then we get started. So let's get into it. If you are here and you are new, I want you to hit the subscribe button and then subscribe to this channel for more, and I want you to like the video and then share it to your friends and other people. This is a very important video, and this is one of the best videos I've also made, and I really enjoyed the video myself. So we will connect it there. That's the port. I already showed in the description how it looks like, and then here we will get this remote, and then we will connect the battery, and then it's on. Voila. So once you put it on, there's this disclaimer notice that comes on. You will have to set it up. You agree, you select your Wi-Fi, enter the password, and then you allow, and then welcome to use Sling TV. So here we have the live TV, and then we have VOD, and then we have customer care app and browser, and then app store. So we have pictures, and then there are some shortcuts or some favorites where you can select what we want. So we quickly go to the app store, and then we get to download the applications we need from the app store. We have all the applications. I was so surprised and amazed to see that there is Streamio and there is Kodi. These two applications, actually, when I saw them, I was thrilled. So we get into the setup, we install all of them, and then we set some favorites like my TV, my VOD, and then a few of them. So we will select the 5 down there, I think 6 of them, and then we will set them up as the favorites, because we don't want to go into this area every time. We just want to come, and then we select it and we move on to the next step. So that is it, guys. We set the TV up, and this guy is as happy as I am as I'm watching this thing now. And then we go into the movie session where we find My Dress Up Darling, and then you see there's an update. So it's going to update it, just as I said. It's going to update it, and then every time when there's an update, it will bring the update, you download it, and then it automatically gives you what SlingTv Box has automatically set into the system, the new update. There's also an update for the VOD. We set it up. So here we find our movies, different kind of movies. Bro, I don't think you can ever be bored with this Sling TV, you know. So cut off every boredom. Here we have home, we have movies, there is TV shows. You can set a list for yourself, and then the settings and other ones. So we'll go into the movies, and then we'll click on one of the movies to see how it will play. And that is the movie Ice Road Vengeance. So let us get into it. We download. This is the first time we are setting it up, so you should expect some of these things. So we'll be downloading a few things, installing, and then let's play now, and that's it. You can actually, it has 1080p. You can actually set it if there is also a 4K or a higher version. That's the Kodi. We get into the Kodi, and then we set the Kodi also up, and then we quickly install the TV add-ons so that we can have the various channels. Here a lot of channels. It also gives us a lot of August TV, yes, and then it has other channels also. There's demo PVR, a lot. We cannot even finish watching in a day. So you just select what you want to watch, and then you have it there, and then we just subscribe. We go on OK, and then we install. So each of the channels you have to download and install them by just clicking on the channel. You use the OK button on the remote to just the directional one, and then you go to the OK and you click on it. It will install each of them according to like which channel you want. So once it is installed, you come here to the recent. You can also record them. You can also come to the recent recordings of the demo channels, and then we have Big Bag Bunny. So let's for a few seconds. Let's enjoy this big back bunny. I like the picture quality. It is amazing. Arabic man will tell you it's fanan. So this is very beautiful. Slingshot TV, thank you very much. This is very, very beautiful and amazing. And I don't think you're ever going to get bored. I keep on saying this thing. This is amazing. It's amazing. The quality, the video, the sound quality also is amazing. It's just wonderful to have this. I even like the background, the way it's like you can still see what's being played at the background. And here, I think you can connect your controllers to them. The game on add-ons, I think you can. And then there is also here you can automatically update the channels. Whenever there is an update, you can go there and update it. So let's get back here, and then we find the SlingTv Box customer service. So here you can scan with your phone, and then you go direct into their WhatsApp, and you can chat with them or discuss with them anything you want to discuss. These are the TV channels. Oh my God, there is everything you need and more. About 15,000 different channels from every continent in different language, from sports to animals to drama and everything. And then is that Layla? That's Netflix. Oh my God, that's all American. That is amazing. Wow. And then here also so let's go back. We'll go back to the VOD, and then we find something else to play. I'm just taking you through the whole thing so that you will see how it actually looks like and how it actually works. You get me? So this is just to show you exactly how Sling TV is going to save you a lot of money, and then it's going to entertain you at the same time. I really enjoy watching this thing. I'm happy. I'm very, very happy.